In this video, we'll walk through the process of connecting the Mailchimp email marketing platform as a destination to your Untitled account. This will allow you to sync your Untitled audiences into your Mailchimp mailing lists and automatically send emails using the de-anonymized visitors from Untitled. From the Untitled homepage, navigate to Destinations and click Connect. Select Mailchimp from the drop-down and name your integration. In this case, we'll name it something simple and straightforward, like Mailchimp Destination, and click Connect. After a few seconds, a pop-up will open with a link for you to follow to set up your Mailchimp account. If you need to complete this setup later, you can click Copy URL, save that URL in a safe place, and then paste that URL into your browser when you're ready to complete the setup. If you're ready to complete the setup now, click Continue. A new page will open, notifying you that Untitled uses Census to connect to Mailchimp. Census allows data to flow from your Untitled account to Mailchimp. To begin this connection, click Continue. On this next page, click Continue again. Next, you will log into your Mailchimp account directly from the Census page. Enter your login details here and log in. To authorize the Census data sync, scroll down and click Allow. Census will test the connection between Untitled and Mailchimp. This may take up to 30 seconds. Once the connection has been tested, click Finish. Now you will be returned back to your Untitled Destinations page. From here, you can navigate to your Audiences page and select an audience to begin syncing to Mailchimp. You can sync any number of your audiences from Untitled to Mailchimp, and the audience name in Untitled will become a tag for each contact in that audience within Mailchimp. Before we sync an audience to Mailchimp, we will set up an automatic tagging automation in Mailchimp to apply additional tags to your Untitled contacts when they are imported. This step is not strictly necessary, and you can skip forward in the video if you just like to sync your audiences to Mailchimp without applying additional tags. If you'd like to auto-tag your audiences when the contacts are imported to Mailchimp, you'll first need to know the name of the audiences you plan to import, because that will be the starting trigger for your auto-tagging journey. For example, if you are going to sync the visitors to the Products page audience to Mailchimp and want to add additional tags, you can first copy that audience name and then navigate to your Mailchimp account, then navigate to Automations, All Flows, and select Build from Scratch. Start by naming the flow, and let's use something obvious like auto tag, and then paste the name of the Untitled audience and add some information about how this audience will be tagged. Click Choose a starting point, and then select the starting point tag added. When the audience is imported from Untitled, it will already have the audience name applied as a tag. Since you haven't imported any contacts to Mailchimp yet, you need to create a new tag first. Paste the name of the audience that you're going to import contacts from and select Create a new tag. Save that trigger and then add a step. Select a step to add, and from that drop-down, select Tag/Untag. You want to tag visitors to the product page from Untitled with the tag Shopper. Create the new tag, and then under Action, select Add and Save. Now, any contact that is imported with the tag Visitors to Products page will have the Shopper tag added to them with this flow. After creating this flow, click Continue, review the flow, and click Turn Flow On. Now, your automation flow is live, and each imported contact from Untitled in the Audience Visited Products URL will have the tag Shopper applied to them. Click Continue. Repeat this process with as many audiences from Untitled as you'd like, building out tags that let you segment your email campaigns very easily. Return to the Untitled dashboard and sync these audiences to the Mailchimp destination. From the Audiences page, click Sync to Destination next to the audience you would like to sync to Mailchimp. Within the Available Destinations page, find Mailchimp and select Setup Sync. From the drop-down, select the list that you would like to add these contacts to. If you have more than one mailing list in Mailchimp, there may be multiple options here. In this case, there's just one. Select it and click Continue. Now, the Mailchimp destination is syncing with this Untitled audience. Return to the Audiences page and set up the sync for the 2 other Untitled audiences that you want to sync contacts from into Mailchimp. In a few minutes, the contacts from Untitled will begin syncing with Mailchimp. Once your audiences have synced from Untitled to Mailchimp, it may take a few minutes for the automation flows to apply the Mailchimp tags that you created. Return to the Mailchimp dashboard and set up a campaign to send. 136 contacts have been imported from Untitled into Mailchimp and have multiple tags applied to them. You can segment the audience that you want to send this campaign to by clicking Target Segment and using tags as filters. Save that segment, set up the rest of your campaign, and when you're ready, click Send. That's it. Now you've sent a targeted email to your interested website visitors. Your Mailchimp audiences will update every day based on new entries to your Untitled audiences, so your marketing contact funnel will continuously grow and fit seamlessly into your Mailchimp campaigns.